की कैंची से छोटा छोटा बोटी का साइज़ काट लीजिए। जितना बोटी आपको तिक्के के लिए चाहिए होती है, ये ज़्यादा बड़ी है तो इसको छोटा कर लें। बस ऐसे सब पीसेस करके तो उनको फिर नमक मिर्च लगा के तो रख दें। नींबू लग गया, साफ़ हो गए। सॉरी, मेरी कैंची में से आवाज़ आ रही है। ये okay, so we are going to cut it. Did I just spot a lemon bit? Yep, right here. Okay. अच्छी तरह से धोया था लीमू लगा के। Let me change the कैंची first. It's making sound. I washed the chicken. Then I put lemon on it, whole lemon. Squeeze the juice and let the lemon peel sit in there too at the same time. And after that, I washed it, pat it dry, and now I'm just going to cut little bite-sized pieces like tikka size. You know, if you have seen chicken tikka, then you know what size it should be. So I'm going to spice it up, put it back in the refrigerator until I'm ready to make the tikkas. Then I will put them on the skewer and just but sometimes what I do is I cook it first a little bit because I don't want the raw spices going on the flame to make the tikka. So I will, for a few minutes, I will just cook the chicken, then I'll take the pieces out. Okay, so that's good enough pieces for the skewer. Let me put the spices on it. Going to put salt, and some chili oil. That's all. We don't need to add too many things to this chicken tikka. Just salt and pepper. If you want, you can add some black pepper to it. Let's see. Okay. That's it. Sorry. Okay. Now, if you want to put a glove on your hand, put a glove. And just mix the chicken well and put it away. That's it. Smells good already. That pepper smells good. Alrighty. There you go. Chicken is ready to marinate, going in the fridge, and I'll take it out when I'm ready to cook. A quick tikkas in your kitchen, no barbecue needed, no outdoors, just right inside the kitchen, and you got your tikkas. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. That's it now. It's so good. It smells so good in the kitchen. Oh my god, I can't wait. Okay, bye bye. Bismillah. Bismillah.